Have you ever thought how top affiliates make professional review videos so fast? Today I am going to take you behind the scenes. I want to show you exactly how this new AI app works. You will see how it builds everything for you from scratch. Let's take a look at how Review Suite 360 actually works. I want to show you the full process from start to finish. You will see how this tool builds your business for you. First, you start by entering the name of the project. In this example, we are using the product Review Suite 360 itself. Now you need two links, the sales page URL and the JV page URL. You can grab these directly from a launch calendar like Munchai. Once you paste those in, you add your own affiliate link. This is important because this link will show up inside your videos so you can get paid. Next, you can choose specific tags for the product or just click analyze and generate. The AI then begin to study both pages for you. It looks at the price, the promises and the key features of the software. Now it's time to create your bonuses. You can select how many bonuses you want to give away. For example, 5. You can even use the AI to generate a professional ebook cover for each one. You just pick the format, the box style, and the colors you like. For the content of the bonus, the AI writes an entire outline and chapters for you. You can edit any of these chapters if you want to. You can also change the design, the fonts, and even add your own branding and logo. This makes the bonus looks like it was made just by you. Once your bonuses are ready, you can customize your bonus page. You can move section around, change the headline, or add a countdown timer to create urgency. All the buttons on this page are already linked to your affiliate ID. Finally, you can see the finished result. You have a full review video ready to go and a professional bonus page filled with details about the software, the pricing, and your custom bonuses. Everything is connected and ready for your first customer. That's it. So you have seen how you can go from a simple link to a full marketing campaign in minutes. It builds the video, the bonus content, and the sales page all at once. This looks very useful for you if you want to scale your affiliate business quickly. If you want to see all the details, I have put the link in the description for you. Go check it out now. Now this tool is powerful, but there is one thing you might struggle with. You might find it hard to get people to actually click your link. To help you fix this, I have created a special bonuses just for you. These bonuses are designed to help you get more traffic and more sales. Let's take a look at what I have got for you. First, I have a special fast action bonus for the first 50 people who act now. It is the first 50 guaranteed approval blueprint. This shows you how to get your affiliate links approved by the vendor instantly so you can start on day 1. Next bonus is the Review Suite 360 launch day checklist. This ensures you never miss a step when setting up your campaign for maximum profit. The next bonus is 2026 Gold Rush launch calendar. This saves you hours of work by showing you exactly which product launches will pay you the most money. I am also giving you the YouTube rank mini guide. This teaches you how to push your videos to the top of search result before your competitors. You also get the $1,000 single launch case study. You can see behind the scene of a real campaign and copy my exact steps to succeed. To help you close sales, I have included the buyer frenzy email sweep pack. These emails drive your leads directly to your bonus pages to close sales on autopilot. Finally, you get the YouTube Shorts traffic guide. This shows you how to use your Shorts videos to explode your view counts and your commission. This total bonus package is worth $699, but you get all of it for free when you buy through this page. Remember, the fast action bonus is only for the first 50 buyers, so you need to move fast. And it is very simple to get these. Just click the link in the description and buy through my link. So here is my final verdict for you. If you want to scale your YouTube review fast, you should buy this. It is perfect for you if you want a faceless business. However, if you enjoy spending hours editing every details yourself, you might not need it. But for most of you, the time saved is worth it. My advice, give it a try if you want to work smarter, not harder. If you are ready to start, click the link in the description. I have also pinned it in the first comment for you. Go check the current price and the special discount. Don't forget, all my bonuses are included if you use my link. Thanks for watching Stacks Review, and I will see you in the next video.